Hey y'all, this is your girl blogging with April. This is part 2 of my passion twist install, y'all. I have started it, y'all. I made, as you can see, how I did a rubber band method, guys. I just part my hair and just did my twisties, and I connected the hair. So now I'm about to show you how I install it. It came with the crochet needle, and it's the passion twist. So I'm going to show you how I do that, guys. So you just put it through like that, as so. You are going to put the hair onto the latch. Bear with me, because sometimes it tangle up. But what I like to do, since it's pre-loop, you're just going to put it on the latch, close the latch, as so, and just slide through. That's it. And how I normally do, I just loop it under and tighten it. So y'all, I'm going to come back with the finished product on how it look, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. See you later. Hey, y'all. I told y'all I was going to be back, y'all. This is the complete style, y'all. See, this is the full hairdo, y'all. This is, y'all, it took me the whole pack to do this, because I parted my hair really small, and I wanted to make sure that there was no spaces in my hair. If I wanted to do like a updo or whatever, I just want to make sure that all the spaces are covered. So y'all, this is my complete style. It took me 2 hours. That includes me washing and conditioning my hair, and doing the rubber band part of it. I made sure I parted my hair really small. The top part of my hair, I just comb rolled like the back section of my hair. I just added the crochet onto that, guys. So I like it so far. I like it, y'all. It feels comfortable, soft, very pillow soft. I like it. There's no shedding. I sprayed a little bit of oil sheen, and just did my little baby hairs, slick that down a little bit, and just add my little hair beads to it. Y'all, this style is so simple, easy to do, so convenient. I love it. Y'all, it's great. So y'all, check them out, y'all, at Beauty Beyond store. Their information is going to be in the description box below as well. They are on Amazon. Y'all, very affordable. I love it so far. I can't wait, just to rock out my style, guys. Thanks for watching, y'all. I am a lifestyle blogger. I do have different topics on beauty, fashion, healthcare, things on my website at www.aprilblog.online. And you can access my website here on my YouTube channel. You can access that here. And if I'm not here, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, blogging with April. Guys, let's stay connected. I have content over on Pinterest as well, blogging with April. I kept everything blogging with April. If you want to collaborate, guys, you can email me at bloggingwithApril, aprilblog.online. Or you can just leave a comment if you want to comment on this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you are returning, thanks for watching. If you new, thanks for watching. Y'all stay posted. I have some great things coming up this week. This is my birthday week, so I have some great footage coming up. And I want y'all to celebrate with me. So guys, continue to just be you. Be you, be beautiful, y'all. Life is short. Make sure that you're taking time out. You're loving yourself, making sure you're doing something great for yourself. Self-care. Things that's going to make you happy, and get beautified, guys. So until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.